Last time you guys saw the 6.0, it was on 8-inch lift and 36s. I was saying I was going to get 40s for it, and I did. So here is a little video showing you guys the truck.
But never out the door, up and down. But not like this before. Well, the preacher man talking on the TV, he's begging for my only dime. I take another shot of whiskey if I thought it'd get him off my mind. I've been down, but not this far before. Been kicked around, but never out the door. I've been down, but not like this before.
40s and 24s. It's got a 3.5-inch level on top of the 8-inch lift, so it brings it up to 11.5-inch at the front, and then I have a 4-inch block underneath the 8-inch leaf spring lift, so it brings it up to 12 in the rear. So 12 and 11.5 in the front. Don't mind that. She's just upset. So I did the adjustable track bar and 1-inch longer drag link in the front. It's a heim joint track bar, which is nice. I like that. Longer sway bar and links. So she sits pretty big now. A lot bigger anyway. So, got 20% tint on the windshield. I got 5 all around, and yeah, so that's her. And then we just picked up a frame. It's a Crew Long 05 F350 frame. It's pretty clean. It's got a little bit of dimple rust in there, but we'll get that all cleaned up. It's gonna go in for powder coat, and we're gonna build a 4-link, a big 4-link. 18-inch lift for that truck. Got the Kings here. Got the Kings. Got one made here. One made up. It's got a 350-pound spring on the top and a 500-pound spring at the top, on the bottom. 16-inch travel coilovers. And yeah, we got some progress to do with this thing. So stoked on that. You guys will be seeing a lot of this build. I'll be filming a lot more of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to update you with that. So yeah, stay tuned for the build.